Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, October 11th. Time is around 5:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here I will again start with the 15-minute chart where I ended my last video. So if you want to have a bit more details, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. But so from my higher time frame analysis, it should be clear that we are now looking here at this low. Will this low hold or not? I think this is the key question in the DAX, the key question among all the indices. So I told you I was looking for 5 waves up from here and then a retest as 2 waves down. This is typically the start of an impulse. So in case of the DAX, that would mean that we start a new wave up in the higher degree after finishing a correction. So you can see this right here. If I go to the daily, here we made a high, probably a wave one high in the higher degree. And so we are looking for a wave two correction. Yeah, could also be a very deep wave four, but let's call it a wave two for now, a shallow wave two. In a later stage we should see what it exactly becomes, but yeah, we just want to know if we will have more upside from here or not. Is this a wave two or a wave four? For the moment it does not really matter. And so I told you, so this low needs to hold. What do we need to see then? An impulse up, and then a corrective wave down. And so for now, yeah, they are not making it as really easy. Quite a difficult structure, I would say, to label as an impulse. For the moment, I labeled it here in green as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But to be honest, it could also be like this, I think. So 1, 2, and then here we have an extended wave 3 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subwaves of the wave 3 here. Then now a wave 4, then a wave 5, and then we could have our wave 1. So that's also a possibility. Yeah, like this. Okay, but for now I will put it like this here. But like in the bullish case, I think this should soon end here in some way. There will be an exception. I will explain to you in a minute. But so let's say I would like, or I want my forecast to unfold like I have it in mind, or what I would like to see to have confirmation that we are starting an impulse. Then we need an impulse here. Impulse can be finished right here, or like I said, we can make a 4 here and then a 5 here, and then we have the 1 here. And then the crucial thing is, yeah, if we come down as a wave 2, we need to hold this low right here. So then we want to see a corrective structure down to test this low, not breaking it, and from there we should move up again. Because for now, it could still be, remember the bearish scenario, where we extend deeper as a wave 3, and then here we have the wave 1 down, the wave 2 up, and then a wave 3 should follow. And so here it's indicated in red. We reach the wave 2 area, so of this wave 1 here. If we take the length of the wave 1, then we know that the wave 2 should go into the area between the 0.854 and the 0.5 VIP retracement. We are in this area. And we could also actually identify here an ABC structure indicated in red. And we also reached the equal leg area of this wave C. So if we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then I'm sorry, did I do something wrong here. Let me do this again. So this is the wave A, indeed. This is the wave B. Yeah, okay, I was not very accurate. So it should be indeed like this. So we also reached this area here. But I have to say it becomes quite unlikely, um, this wave 2 up here. But yeah, we will only have confirmation if we take out this high, of course. Then this cannot be a wave 2 anymore. So for now I keep it on the charts, but I'm telling you, I think it's unlikely that this is a wave 2 here, because um, because it starts to look like this is a completely different cycle right here. Like this has nothing to do anymore with the downward structure from here. It looks like, if I investigate the RSI. So this scenario here, I keep it on the chart maybe one more day, but as soon as we take out this high here, I can take it off. But I'm just telling you, it becomes unlikely. However, there is something else we should be careful for. Like I told you, I would like to see the 5 waves up here, and then a retest as a wave 2. Now, if we move further up from here without really a good retest, without really a good wave to the downside, then then I think we really need to consider this scenario here, the wave X scenario. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and so I told you that, okay, correction might be, no, we did an impulse here, then corrective move down, WXY structure. This would be a shallow wave 2, but ideally we actually go here into this area as a wave 2. And so a possible path to get there was, one, the extended wave C here. Then from here we have 1, 2, wave 3 down, 4, 5. This is shown right here. But yeah, if I look at this structure, like I told you, it does not really look like like being part of this structure here. So then I would eliminate this scenario. But if we further move up, like without really having a wave 2, then there might be a risk, like a risk for the bullish case, that we do a wave X up here, so that this WXY structure was just the first leg of a bigger WXY structure. Then we have wave W here, wave X up. So if we take the length of our wave, potential wave W, then our wave X should go here into the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And then actually from here, we can start to break this low as a Y leg down in 1, 2, 3. So this can make things complicated. How will we examine this? Or yeah, first of all, we will look at the other indices. But if we are not doing like the wave 2 that I'm looking for the bullish case, in order to confirm that this low will hold here, if this wave 2 is not really coming, then what could be the case is that we indeed further move up. Looks really, really bullish, but what we will actually get is some kind of WXY structure up. So it will look bullish, but actually it will just be a corrective move up as WXY. And then once we reach this area as a WXY, then yeah, this will be the trap. I think, then we can come down, and then yeah, everybody will expect that it is a wave 2 down. But as this was a corrective structure, we will simply break this low here, and then we have our Y leg unfolding. So yeah, it's still very early to elaborate on this. Maybe I'm also confusing you a bit, but I just want to share this with you, because it's yeah, it's definitely something that is possible. Like, ideally, we need to have our wave 2 down somewhere from here. If our wave 2 down is not coming, and if we get more upside, I would really start to consider that yeah, that they are engineering a trap here. A trap in the sense that it looks very bullish, but after all, we will just have a WXY correction up without really a good retracement. Like, good retracements is what we need as a wave 2 here, test of this low. And then yeah, then from here we can actually make an additional corrective leg into this area. So this is what I am looking for on the higher time frame. So don't get too excited if we see further bullish movement from here. It might just be yeah, a corrective wave up as a WXY, like shallow retracements, not really deep retracements as a wave 2. And then yeah, actually from here we can then start another corrective leg down. So for the real bullish case, I mean the low is in and we start a new wave up, a wave in the higher degree. I would still like to see this here on the 15-minute, this structure here ending as a wave Y, be it from here, be it like this. That does not really matter. But then our wave 2 down, corrective structure A, B, C, testing this low. This low holds, and then we take off. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.